Hi and welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at the idea of cell alignment. We'll look at how to left justify, center, and right align individual items within a cell or group of cells. So if that's interesting to you, join us in this video. If you want to follow along, go ahead and download exercise file 05.08. You can find the link to this file in the description of this video. So in the last video, we looked at how to change individual fonts, the font size, things like the fill color and the font color. In this video, let's go back and use an example of a kind of a more basic display of data and focus on the idea of alignment. So earlier in the course, we looked at how if you were to input text into Microsoft Excel, that text would by default be left justified or flush left with the left part of that cell. And if you were to put in a number, like the number 10, it would be flush to the right. Now, this is pretty great, except for the fact that you're going to occasionally want to change the default orientation of text. So perhaps you want to center things like we have here, or perhaps you want to left justify numbers, or you want to right justify text, or left justify text. If that's the case, you're going to want to come up to the Home tab and then use this alignment group. Here you can choose to align left, center, or left align. So let's use an example where we select this text and we want to see what it would look like if this text was left aligned. If that was the case, we would select the text and then click here. That's how it would look left aligned. Maybe we want to center the text. That could be really good. Or by default, again, it's right aligned. Now, the display that we have here is this text is often left aligned, but we actually have gone ahead and we've changed the default left alignment to have an indentation. So these four items, that of north, south, east, and west, are all subcategories of sales. So when we originally had the formatting, it looked something like this. But when I looked at the information, I wasn't sure if sales was some category. It wasn't visually very clear. So what you can do in the alignment group is you can select the text that you want to indent, and then once you have that specific alignment selected, in this case we have the left align, you can come over to the right of this alignment here, and you'll have the option of decreasing indent, or in our case we want to increase an indent. So I think it looks good to go ahead and put two items there, or two indentations, but you could always adjust it that way. So this video was relatively straightforward, where we wanted to look at the alignment. So if we had text, we could come up here and we could left align it as it is now, center it, or right align it. Alternatively, if you wanted to change the alignment, you could bring your icon here and go to alignment settings, and then you can change the horizontal alignment in this way. So you could say that you want it to be justified, or you can have it be left like it was before. You'd hit OK. Or one of my favorite settings is to actually make it so that it's filled, which is kind of cool because it would repeat, but it can actually just be a lot more useful to come and say justify, and that would kind of allow you to have it in a more formal manner. So in the next video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the idea of vertical alignment. So we'll look at aligning text to the top, middle, or bottom of a cell based on that cell's height, or I guess in that row's height. So join us for that in the next video, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.